Hello, so today we're going to be using La Dictée for our lesson. So what I would like you to do is go on a web page. You'll put in La Dictée d'Archibald. Once you get to the website, you have a tab right here that's called Langue Française. Go ahead and select Dictée. Once you've chosen that, what I want you to do is you have all of these options and you can scroll and there's more dictations. So click on that. The one that I want you to be working on is called Invitation au voyage. This one right here. Go ahead and click on it. I do want you to listen to it through the whole dictation just once so you get a feel of what is to come. I want you to make sure that the level you're on is B2 avancé. Once you've selected that, you can begin your dictation. And this is really easy to use. You listen to the sentence.
Si nous avions dû, virgule, comme,
and this goes pretty slow, so you'll be writing your sentence right here. You can use all of these letters with the accents if you need to. So I've actually done one, just the first sentence, and here are my results from the first sentence. So you can see what you have written with the incorrect one, and then it gives you the correct option and what it should have been. On the side right here, they will also explain it to you a little bit better, the reason why it should have been what it is. So like dû is avions dû, they're telling you that it was supposed to be in the past tense, and they just kind of explain it to you. For this one, I didn't spell the name right, and they're saying that it was the name of a hero, and it's just a nice way to review. You have the option to redo it by clicking right here. What I want you to do is take a screenshot of this page right here, send it to my email, and then go ahead and retake it. Sorry. Then go ahead and retake it, and also take a screenshot of that one and send it to me again. And so that is all I'm asking you. This is a nice way if you have time to go back and do some other ones if you would like to. But that is it.